Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to start building this Tamiya Konghead 6x6 monster truck kit, and this will be my first 6x6 chassis I've ever built, so I'm really excited about that. So let's not waste any time and get started. Don't forget to hit that like button so this video can reach more people. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of the videos of this series. Alright, couple housekeeping things. We're going to start using this anti-wear grease right away, and it looks something like this. Instead of using a toothpick or whatever that it recommends to apply that, I've already put one of these inside of this little syringe, and I'm using an extra fine tip. So that's what I'll be using. It's fine using a toothpick or whatever to use this. I just like to keep everything less messy, especially the greasy stuff. So we're going to start right here. And this is going to be D1, and D1 is going to be this top one right here. And we need to find this. So these two pieces are supposed to keep dirt out of the transmission. The small piece goes here. And there's a certain orientation. Right there. Like that. So the taller side's on the left. I think we just push this through to the other side. And we'll seal the gaps with the anti-wear grease. So the long one goes on a little bit differently. It is symmetrical, and you put it through the back side to the front. And then you push it across. Make sure you push this all the way through so there's about the same sticking out on each side. And we're going to seal this with the anti-wear grease. Alright, I think that's good. Let's move on to building the arms. Alright, looks like these center upper arms are in two pieces, C14 and 15. They should be in this bag right here. Let's find those screws. And we have to pay attention to the arms here. See those two notches? They need to line up with the other side of the arm, like that. And we'll just drop these two screws in here. Alright, let's mount this on the chassis. So I believe it's going to be this pin, and we're supposed to apply this grease here. I'm going to use silicone grease that I keep in this syringe. So let's see how this goes. Alright, it's going to be pretty much like this. Okay, so And we're also going to need this C4. Let's see, which way does this go? Alright, according to the manual, I think it goes this way. And we're going to need this screw. I think this will be easier if I turn the chassis around. Okay, alright. Don't over tighten. Okay, so we're done with this step. Gonna set this inside and start building. I'll show how to build one differential. So start with the diff body, and then we're gonna need these washers. There should be 6 of them. Then we're going to grab one of these bevel gears, and we're supposed to put a little bit of grease on the back of this. And then put on the washer. Put some grease on the outside of the washer as well. And then we're going to drop this into the diff body and make sure it seats all the way down. And the bevel gear is going to get some grease as well. Now let's work on the spider gears. We need to put grease on the cross shaft. I'm going to do 2 of those first. Put on the spider gears. And then I'll hold it by the spider gears and put grease on the 3rd shaft. Keeps my fingers clean. Right now I'm going to drop this into the transmission, and we're going to put it into those 3 slots. Drop it in like that. Put some grease on the spider gears. Just going to spin them around, make sure the grease coats the gears. Now we're going to get the top bevel gear in there. Grease that up. Grease the back. And put on that washer. Put some grease on that as well. Now we're going to put on the lid. Line up these pins on the lid with these groove in the diff body. There's also a matching notch. There are 3 screws that holds it together. These are all going to be MA2s, just like the other ones. There we go. Let's make 2 more. Let's start putting these into the chassis. I got these individual ball bearings at my local hobby shop. I'll leave a full bearings kit for the G6-01 chassis in the description. Alright, I'm going to insert a bearing into the chassis where the 3 differentials go. Alright, now let's work on the other gears. We'll do the 3 idler gears first, and I believe they're in this bag. Looks like every gear has a bearing on each side, so let's get to those first. Alright, I think this video is long enough. I'll put these gears into the chassis in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.